Welcome back to my channel. Here is another day, a typical day as a busy dad. Summer in Finland, so beautiful. Temperature today is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Sun is not shining, partially cloudy, but the weather is still nice. I have today afternoon shift. I'll be going to work later, so I have a morning with my kids. I'll be sharing with you what I've been doing the whole morning. So I woke up at 7. Usually the kids wake up earlier than me, but I woke up early today. My normal routine starts with the breakfast. So kids are still sleeping. I can eat first. So as usual, I make my tea. Making tea is so simple. I just add water, then wait for a while. When it gets boiled, I add sugar and tea powder. And after that, I just put milk. This is called milk tea. It is so nice to drink in the morning. It takes only 5 minutes, quickly I can make it. Then I'll just drain it with the strainer so that the tea powder is removed. After that, the next step is to make the paratha ready. That's what I like in the morning breakfast. At the same time, I empty the dish drawing closet for the next dishes. I do it so quickly because if I have less dishes, so I can quickly wash it. We do have dishwasher, but sometimes I do hand washing. So paratha is ready. Kids are down now for the breakfast. Probably I need to be quick so that I can put my things there on the table because they are going to start now and they will be noisy and making a lot of mess. Kids have already decided they want to eat cereals today, so they eat cereals with the milk. They will prepare themselves. Kids are more independent now, and that's what they learn here in Finland, that they have to be independent. Sometimes we don't help them. I continue my sleep, and they come down themselves and prepare their breakfast. They help each other. They have a good company. In breakfast, usually they eat cereals with milk. That's easy to prepare. They also eat bread with cheese spread, sometimes with honey. The boy likes honey, the big boy. In Finland, we are also particular with the waste disposal. For example, cartoon waste with the milk remain. What I do, I rinse it well, and after that I open it and keep it there. Once it is dry, then I throw it in the carton garbage. Now I had time that I can quickly do the dishes, so I did dishes so quickly. It took me only 5 minutes to do. I can actually put them in the dishwasher and wash them together, all of them, but I just want to burn some calories. I don't want to be lazy. And I said it takes me only 5 minutes to do it, and then later I can remove it from the dish drawing closet. After that, I did the laundry, just a quick laundry for 20 minutes. Zane is doing piano right now. I put laundry for 20 minutes. It's a quick wash. Within that 20 minutes, I can go up and remove the old clothes. Those are already dried. I can arrange them well, fold them, and then put them in the cabinets at the back side. We have a lot of cabinets in this house. That's what we like. The way the cabinets are designed is really for the family with a lot of kids. You have a lot of clothes, so you can put them into the proper place. So I folded all the clothes and made everything ready and put them into the proper place. Now I can fold back the things and there in the cabinet it goes. Another 5 to 10 minutes, I'm done with this task. Now I will go and put the clothes on drying, and meantime the kids can brush their teeth. Here in Finland we use the electric toothbrush. The two, they brush their teeth well, but the small one needs help because sink is a little bit higher, so I use the footstool to brush his teeth. Electric toothbrush is recommended here in Finland whenever we go for their dental checkups or for the dental appointments with the doctor. They ask for their brush habits, how often they brush their teeth, and do you use the electric or the normal toothbrush. Now we're going out because we have few things to buy, not much, just milk, bread. Garbage bag is finished, so I plan to throw the garbage at the same time. We throw the garbage here. I don't have much garbage, just a general waste only, so I'll throw it there before I go. So another task is done. I have only few things to buy. Usually I do grocery with my wife because she knows what to buy and how much. But it's just a quick grocery. I just need milk, banana, and garbage bag, and few more things that the kids want. So it's just near K Market is the nearest. just like 3 minutes drive from here. So we arrived. When you arrived here in Finland, you want to park, so don't forget to put the parking disc. Otherwise, you will receive the penalty minimum of 60 euro. So they have nice parking here. Quickly, we're gonna go and do the grocery. It will not take long. So kids had their trolleys, and now we are in the K market. In the beginning, it was challenging when they came from the Philippines. It was difficult for us to go outside, but now I can manage myself alone. Even Madame is at work, I can go and do the quick grocery. Even they help me, sometimes for weighing. And she just remembers the number. Ariana, she just put the herself. She knows how to select, how to weigh, and all that she does herself. And they are well behaved. So we are done. We didn't need many things to buy: banana, bread, milk, garbage bag, and grapes. Now we're back quickly. It took us 15 to 20 minutes. I don't have much things to carry. We could go by walk actually. It's just like 15 minutes by walk, but I'm recording and I have a lot of things to do. So I can finish those tasks. That's more important. So it took me 15 minutes probably took. Now we're back home. Weather is cloudy. Actually, it's not sunny, but still okay. The temperature is not very cold. I didn't wear myself anything, but for the kids, I let them wear their hoodies. It was windy yesterday, so Riza put the flowers down here. So I'm gonna put them back there, or she can come herself and arrange. She knows where to put them. Summer in Finland is so beautiful. Actually, it's not very hot, but if it rains, then the weather is not considered as a good weather. We're back home. Kids needs to change their clothes back to the normal house clothes they wear. They don't need much help, just a little bit guidance only. I'll place the things into the ref. We bring our own shopping bag or grocery bag here in Finland, because if you take there every time, it's like 0.20 or 0.40 euro, but these bags are stronger. You can buy them one time and put the things inside. After that, you can fold them and put them there into the proper place. Every time I go outside, I put them in my bag. I'll put the things now into the ref. The milk with the expiry date. The longest expiry date was 16, but I also took with the expiry date 14 and 15. Why? Because in Finland others do the same, because we know the milk use is much. One pack can be finished in a day, so I just took also with expiry date 14, 15, so the market will not have burden. Otherwise, if everybody will take 16, so others will be left over and it will be expired. So I do the same, because I can estimate that I bought 4 or 5 and a week time, so that will finish. The clothes already dried. This task is done, so I'm gonna put them there. Later we will take them for doing iron or placing them back into their cabinets. Now lunchtime is near, so kids don't want to eat, but we have already cooked for them. They have already eaten. They want chicken nuggets, so I put some chicken nuggets there for the frying. I use actually air fryer, so it will take like 15 to 20 minutes. At the same time, I emptied the dish drying closet. Breakfast dishes were there, just few. I removed them and connected electric toothbrush for charging, so they can use it in the evening. The nuggets are already done. The food is ready. The rice already cooked. I placed them there. Just I need to call them. They are there somewhere playing. Two of them are quick and fast. Probably they're gonna finish their food within 5 minutes, but the small one needs a lot of help, a lot of guidance. They are down now. The food is already prepared by the daddy, so they need to eat and put the dishes into the sink. After that, my turn to eat. They can eat it directly with the rice, or sometimes they need also ketchup. They can dip into the ketchup and eat. Now I will sit and start eating with them. Two of them are already done. The little boy is gonna finish soon. So after eating, I have done already the dishes. It took me only 5 minutes to do the kitchen, and sink is neat and tidy, and that will make Madame happy to see after her work. Honestly, sometimes we need to understand that doing little things in time can help survive the day well. Every day is a new day. Be thankful you get another day to live. Keep using your energy doing something that can make yours and others' life easy and comfortable. Plan well, do more, think less, no stress. You will be happy with the outcomes. Well, this was my routine for today. I have shared with you. I'll be keep sharing and posting the routines here in Finland. So if you're new to the channel or platform, please consider subscribing and following. These are the routines usually the parents or working parents they have when they live abroad in Europe or in Finland. These are the tasks we do every day. We share the responsibilities and this is how we survive. Please thumbs up if you like the video and write down in the comment section if you do the same or you do something different. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.